Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL and WP35 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display. Now let's scroll down and localize the night light. Of course we can turn on this option without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns yellowish or basically amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. We can, as I said, customize this option. Simply tap on the night light. Here we've got the intensity switcher. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. It's up to you. We can also schedule that feature. Just tap on it. We've got the option none. We can turn it on at custom time, so we can freely choose the start and the end time, just like here from this clock, and your device will apply the option accordingly. Or we can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. So this is it. This is the customization, and if you want to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar, and here in this section we have to find proper icon, the night light. So let's simply tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.